So number 2 of our Roadkill Night series. Welcome back. This is SRT Scarlet and Hurricane Maggie. We are getting out here, getting ready to put it together. I just want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video and enjoy what you're about to see.
Yep.
So I've been standing around doing dog while these guys do everything. We're gonna see if we can continue the trend.
So here's what we got so far. We've got our engine start, our ice box, and we've got our accessories. Accessories right now consist of our radio and front and rear cab lights. It's by Larry Jams though. And if you're wondering, yes, I made all of this except the plate. Did all the wiring. Pretty good if I do say so myself. Now, as soon as I flip that switch, the engine start button should turn red. I'm confident enough that I'm gonna clip everything into place. Whatever clips are remaining anyways. Alright, let's get it. There we are. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Got a few more things I want to put on the accessories. Still gotta put the fuel pump on here and got a few other things I need to wire in, but we're making progress.
See, that's all she needed.
We're gonna get there. Hold on.
Have you ever used
It's my. I was gonna say it's my first day using power tools.
Aha! Very nice. How much? Dude, that is all over. You were standing there.
I just want you to know Mitchell's great for YouTube.
It's 15 and 1, 2, 6 hash marks.
Big hash marks, little hash marks.
All of them together.
4, 5.
You're way off, Larry. You're way off, Larry. Look
Nope.
at your math is not mathing.
My math
It's
is
right
good.
on.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. Good job.
Just trying to do math, bro. Why does that hurt you so much?
Yeah, it's set. Boom!
Does she feel like a race car?
That looks money. That's race car stuff right there.
It's gonna have removable steering wheel too.
In order to get to your Bluetooth settings and all that, it has to feel the park brake start, where it starts with the park brake on, and then it has to shift from the park brake back to it off, right? It has to break that ground and then reground.
Yeah.
So I ain't f***ing with that, so I installed this button. So it simulates the parking brake, and I press it one time, and now I can connect phones. Some light, little 5. Gonna go pick us up a cradle. All right, all good. So I said 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All good from there. Thank you. We are taking the drive shaft off.
And why is this drive shaft more of a pain in the ass, boys?
Because it's a 2-piece drive shaft.
2-piece drive shaft. There's one of the 2 pieces.
Oh, well, we might have done something.
That Torx is fitting though.
Yeah. Yep. Here's out. All right. Now we slide it back. All right. Dude, honestly, don't even pick up. Just scratching my concrete. Oh, there's a truck. I tried. What are we?
We're gonna spin it.
You look like Kermit the Frog right now. Wait, that jack needs to go that way.
No, because it doesn't have sideways front casters. It has to be lined up this way.
Yes, Master. Whatever you say, Master.
Oh, watch that freaking camera, or Tori will take our souls.
Let me steer. Lower back down. I think all that. There you go. There we go. Now.
Yeah, come on. Okay.
We're there.
Almost got the cradle ready to go in.
What?
This is a big feat. It's got the diff and axles that I need to put down efficient power, so.
We got a park brake so we can.
And we got park brake.
Yay!
Yeah, we can park car.
Desensitized.
Alright, so she got a new rear end. Should be ready to get the drive shaft measured up pretty soon.
Okay, I don't like this angle.
Hey, you can see my rib nuts from down here.
Alright, so we put a new rear end there. We got a Scat Pack Charger rear end with 309 diff. We're going to swap struts out for non-active struts. Probably the Bilsteins that came with this car. We're going to see how it sits and how it does. And if we need some coilovers, I'll make an order. But we're going to see what how it works with what we got and go from there. I'm pretty excited. So let me get out from under here and see what else we can do. Hey, you have a brake flaring tool, Mitch?
Got it yet?
You know it.
Oh,
Goodness, a world of difference.
dude, look at the clearance you got here.
Oh, yes.
Yo, that clearance is gonna be way better.
And it looks so it's just on the outside. It looks like Jay's car almost.
Huh?
Hey, how y'all doing? You don't mind the camera, do you?
How y'all doing today?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Outlet parts are good. It's like a motor box right there on the right, if I do say so myself. Engine and transmission?
It is, yes sir. Let's just drop it right here. Have you ever heard of Roadkill Nights?
You get the car, they send you the engine and transmission.
And money to build it. I'm having a blast with it so far. A lot of work. You get 9 weeks to do the whole thing, so very short timeline.
Oh, good luck.
Thank you very much. Appreciate y'all. You have a great day.
You too, thank you.
It's not quite ready for this. I don't know what to say. I need hands. Alright, so it's Wednesday. We're out here. We finally received our shipment of motor and transmission from Wesley Motorsports, courtesy of our friends over at Dodge. So I'm excited to really get this project rolling, get her mounted up, and start getting everything in line for making this bad boy a legitimate race car. So I'm stoked. It's raining today. We're going to see what we can get done in the rain while trying to stay mostly dry. None of this needs to get wet. So we got the canopy out. Going to see what it'll do for us. It's a little leaky. Maybe it's time to invest in a new canopy, but we'll get there when we get there. Oops. Nice. What the hell's all this? Probably like gas pedal and whatnot. Okay, okay.
Like some extra goodies.
Some extra goodies. Let's go ahead and pull these boxes inside. So I have something to play with in a minute. That's the next mystery. What's in those boxes? Oh, dude, it's slippery as hell. I swear to God, these Crocs are going to be the death of me. Crocs with more miles on them than this damn Magnum sitting here. Look at these bad layers. That's something. Ooh, what is this? Oh. That, my friends, is a gas pedal. Damn, I gotta take the. Oh, I knew that. I don't know why I ain't been doing that this whole time. Damn it. Waste my time 2020. This, my friends, is the transmission, gas pedal, and looks like a couple other goodies. What else we got, I guess? I don't know what any of this does. That's why I have mechanic friends. I'm learning. I'm just here to learn. And drink lots of water. What's in the small box? Yep, fuse box and relays for all of my Roadkill stuff. Alright, this, my friends, is a gear shifter. Okay, okay. Ooh, what is this? Hell yeah, okay. It's wiring shit. It's a splice pack. I like it. We about to get professional as a mug once I can figure out how to open up this box. What is it? Probably shifter knob, huh? Oh, the bait and the shifter knob. Okay, makes sense. All right, we got our transmission bolts. We got our something or another. Hell yeah! I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. Not gonna sit here and act like I do. This is why I have friends that know what this stuff is. I still haven't found the ECM, so maybe that really isn't coming for another couple weeks. We're gonna see. This appears to be a starter. All right. And I'm gonna get the screw out. Da, 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 da. You can't see. There
It looks like the Mopar end of this wiring harness is already here. That makes life pretty friggin' easy. I'm excited. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Tension will get it in there all over. We're gonna see anyways. Yeah.
Don't you got an electric wrench, though?
Yeah. Got it?
Yeah. All the weight's on this side. Please, sir. Thank you.
That just snapped.
I guess we'll know. We're gonna be making motor mounts anyways, right, good?
Yep.
So thank you.
Better late than never, I guess.
Until what's broke?
The boost controller. So I'm gonna have to have them send me another one. Luckily it's only a couple volts, but still an L.
Maybe pull it your way and then drop a little.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, right there.
Right
Okay,
there.
now go down.
Ready?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
it's going to go forward when it goes down.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, wait. A little bit more.
No.
A little more. Oh, well, I don't know. You can't because you got.
Yeah, you're. Hold on.
Yeah,
What am I doing?
There.
Okay, wait.
Down or up?
Down a hair.
Ready?
You
Wait,
should
that's
be
it.
able-
That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Because now you gotta clear something down there.
Yeah, the oil.
Nah, here we are doing our thing, putting the transmission on the motor. It's coming together.
Here we are, doing our
They
thing.
didn't send us instructions, so we're just kind of sending it with the hardware and hoping for the best.
All right, let her down some.
Yeah, you've got probably 4 inches, 3 inches.
Hear me out.
All right.
What if we took your tallest jack and just jack?
Oh, I did not like the sound of that. That sounded like the back jack.
Let me know. Do I need to pull back? It might just pop right in.
Would be great. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's get this mounted up and see how it looks.
Yeah, let's do that. And then I think.
We're gonna need another jack though. I'm over here grinding, getting hit in the face with stuff. Just trying to grind this clean and smooth to where it's not gonna catch and rip any rubber hoses or anything. We'll go from there.
It might need to roll to the
It's
left
crooked,
just
yeah.
a tad.
Yes.
Let me see if I can pull it
Not
with
much,
the back
bro.
of the trans.
Not much.
Yeah. See what you can do back there. Okay.
I'm gonna lower a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, you just freed up everything up front. We're really free swinging now.
Yeah. That bitch is sitting.
Alright, so it's day, who knows what day it is. I really don't know at this point. I'm tired. Motor came in today. We got it all aligned. We got the transmission aligned. Everything is pretty much in line the way we want it to be. Now we're gonna spend tomorrow fabricating up some motor mounts and getting everything locked in. And once we get her mounted up, we're full speed ahead. So only thing we're missing at this point is our Motec ECU and the wiring harness that comes with that. Once that's received, hopefully start firing her up and test and tune and whatnot. But one step at a time. We got our motor. She's in. Just got to get her mounted up. Everything's lined up perfectly. Didn't have to cut into any major parts, which is awesome in my opinion. Yeah, so looking forward to it. Appreciate you guys for watching this one. See you guys in the next one. Haha, peace. Are you ready? Are you good? Hello, hello. Do I need to move over? I just need you to hurry because I really gotta poop. Like the pooping is real. Oh, I'm gopher heading, right? What is that? Gopher holing? Turtle heading? Prairie dogging. Whatever it's called.